Hello everyone. So I wanted to show you a quick app that I built in like 5 hours over the weekend and show you how is it useful. So it's basically an Eisenhower matrix. It's based on this matrix, right? Whatever is urgent and not urgent and then important and not important. So you could delegate and move things faster based on how you think they are urgent or not urgent for your business, right? So I looked online. There were a lot of tools to do this. Also, Notion templates, I think, was the closest one to what I was looking for. But I thought that we kind of need this at our current workplace to have inside, to have like a database of this. And yeah, I thought that I could build some of it. So the paid versions were also not good on what I needed. The layout was different. I didn't have many functionalities, so I thought that why not just build this and then outsource it at the end? Why not? Because if I build it in 5 hours, anyone can. So yeah. I want to show you how this works. I basically just created some tasks now. Let me just drag in somewhere and then show you how it works. We can start from scratch as well. I will do a separate one. And yeah, basically we have, we create a new matrix, right? Test. We have it here, or we use an existing matrix that I did right now. And I have some tasks, right? Let's just put them all unassigned. There is a drag and drop feature, and let me drag my head here. So yeah, basically like check Google Ads. This is like a day-to-day tasks or like tasks that needs to be done in the current month, or needs to be done in a next quarter or current quarter. Let's call it current quarter, right? Q2. So check Google Ads is something important, but not that urgent. So let's just put it here. Answer customer complaints is pretty urgent, but let's just delegate so someone else does it if there is someone else in my current company, right? Answer customer reviews, pretty much the same. Hire a new sales rep is pretty urgent and important. Otherwise, our company cannot move fast. Launch the app on App Store, again, pretty urgent. Do a new landing page for partners. Well, we would win some SEO. We would have some actual page to send in our cold email. So let's just put it for not urgent, not important, even though it could be not urgent and important, right? You can just think about it. So here, what we have a drop shadow where you drop things so you can reorder things. We have a live updating list of tasks, which you just copy and send to others, right? And here, like, why this is useful is because if I add test, whatever, and put it here. Wait, this is not a good example. Let me just delete some of these tests. Test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Delete some of these. Test without numbers, right? So I put them here. And why is it important? Because when you have so many, you don't know this test 4. You have to count. This is like, okay, test 4 is 7th, right? So now you can decide which one is 6th, which one is 7th without having to count this. You just look here and then you put test 5 here, right? Okay, 6 over 4th, and then you know the order. Again, you can copy paste into others. Yeah, so let's say it's Q2. We have 20 days until the month is over. And we have a lot of schedules, right? A lot of schedules here that it's final quarter, we cannot do them, and schedule for non-important and not urgent and important needs to go to the next quarter. We come in here from test, we call this Q3, right? So we have Q3, we have my first Eisenhower matrix, and yeah, it's let's say 31st of June or 30th of June, I think is the final date. And all of this, we want to move them to Q3 because we couldn't complete them in time. We move them here. It's not updated live. We had to refresh it, which again didn't work. It's a live test. It happens. And now it's not working. So yeah, going to Q3, we have this, and now you can just move them to important. And now you can start prioritizing for Q3, but you have a good way of not losing track of these things. You can at any time delete this, download it to JSON, have some questions like how this works. Again, tasks here. And also you could either you can right click edit this. Let's put Google Play, right? You can move them to delegate. You can move them to unassigned, goes there to first, right? Whatever works for you, you can duplicate it, which doesn't work. And you can also delete this, right? So, yeah, I think it will help many people just by having it close. Yeah, right now it's on my subdomain. Whatever you do here, I think gets saved on your cloud. I don't know how this works. I'm a designer. I'm not an engineer, so I just build this for fun. So feel free to fork this. I put it outsourced at github.com/claro/dcyde. Feel free to fork it, use it on your own, implement this in your company, whatever you want to do. But I just thought that there is no viable version of this online that works this well at this level of 5 hours in. So yeah, thank you for your time and enjoy. Bye bye.